Hey hobby fans, welcome back to the PM Hobbycraft channel, your home for all things modeling, RC, and creative fun. Today we're counting down the top 5 model car kits every modeler should build, from exotic hypercars to legendary classics. Whether you're just starting out or you've been gluing, sanding, and painting for years, this list has something for you. So grab your hobby knife, some paint, and let's jump in. We're starting with a slice of pure American muscle. The 1971 Boss Mustang 351 by Revell. Now this isn't just any Mustang. Back in the early 70s, the Boss 351 was a serious powerhouse, running a 5.8-liter Cleveland V8 that made it one of the most legendary muscle cars ever built. And Revell has captured it beautifully. This 1/25th scale kit comes with over 120 parts, enough detail to keep you busy, but not overwhelming. You've got a multi-part V8 engine that looks fantastic under the hood. Chrome parts for that authentic shine, and yes, the hood opens and closes so you can actually show off all that engine work. Challenging enough to be satisfying, but accessible enough for younger builders starting their muscle car collection. If you've ever wanted to relive the golden age of American performance, the Boss 351 is a perfect place to start. At number 4, we've got the 1952 Hudson Hornet convertible by Mobius. If you know your racing history, you'll know the Hudson Hornet was a game changer in NASCAR, dominating stock car racing in the early 50s. And this convertible kit brings that classic elegance straight to your workbench. What's special about this kit is the tooling. It's brand new from Mobius. No old molds here, which means crisp, clean parts. The chrome is gorgeous. The white wall tires are soft and realistic. And the separate body, interior, and chassis pieces make it feel premium right out of the box. This one's definitely aimed at more experienced builders, since you'll need paint and glue, but the payoff is worth it. When finished, you've got a show-stopping piece of 1950s Americana. For collectors of vintage cars, the Hudson Hornet is a must. Sliding into number 3, we're heading into the future of supercars. The Pagani Huayra Pichetto Tempesta from Aoshima. The Huayra is already one of the most exotic and artistic hypercars in the world, but the Tempesta package takes it even further with performance upgrades designed for the track. This model kit captures that wild spirit. Gull-wing doors that open and close, front and rear cowls that you can pose even after assembly, and an engine reproduction that's almost too pretty to hide. The wheels are exclusive to this kit, and you even get window frame masking stickers to make painting easier. A small touch, but it saves a lot of headaches. This kit is perfect if you love precision and want a centerpiece model that feels alive, even just sitting on a shelf. The Huayra Tempesta is as much art as it is engineering, and the Aoshima kit does not disappoint. At number 2, we've got the Porsche 918 Spyder by Revell. This car was a technological marvel when it came out. A hybrid hypercar producing 887 horsepower, capable of hitting 345 kilometers an hour, while also being surprisingly fuel efficient. Only 918 were ever made, and now they're collector's items. But with this kit, you can build your own piece of Porsche history. The model includes 129 parts, a multi-part V8, detailed electric motors, a full interior with authentic instrument panels, and even a movable rear spoiler. The chrome-plated rims and reflectors give it that premium finish, and you'll have rotating wheels to display it however you like. What's great about this kit is its accessibility. It's detailed enough for serious builders, but still manageable for younger hobbyists aged 10 and up. If you're into modern performance and want something that looks sleek on your shelf, the 918 Spyder is a brilliant choice. And finally, let's make room for our number 1 pick. A car so extreme, so advanced, it feels like it's from another planet. Number 1, the Tamiya 124 scale McLaren Senna. The real Senna was built to be the ultimate track-focused road car, and Tamiya has captured every detail in 124 scale, from the complex aerodynamic bodywork to the swan neck, rear wing, and diffuser, it's all here. This kit is packed with features. Brake discs and calipers are separate so you can paint them easily, and still will have rotating wheels. A realistic V8 twin turbo engine, detailed without being overwhelming. Separate seat pads, door struts, and radiators. Clear windows and roof parts that slot right in. No cement required. It even has options for European, US, or Japanese spec, right down to the license plates. And the dashboard, you can choose between slim or full display mode. It's details like these which make this kit feel special. When it's all done, you don't have just a scale model. You've got a miniature work of art that captures one of the greatest hypercars ever built. For any serious modeler, the McLaren Senna is a must build. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 scale model car kits every modeler should build. From vintage muscle to cutting-edge hypercars, each one of these kits is waiting for you to bring it to life. And what's the best part? You don't have to hunt them down online. We've got them all right here at PM Hobbycraft in Calgary. Whether you're after your first kit or adding to a seasoned collection, our shelves, they're packed with the latest releases, classic favorites, paints, tools, and everything you need to make your build shine. So come visit us in store or check out our website to explore even more kits and hobby supplies. And if you ever need advice, tips, or just want to talk models, our team is always here to help. Thanks for watching, and remember, at PM Hobbycraft, the hobby never stops. See you next time.